In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into iCloud on the App Store in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new device or simply ensuring that all your apps sync correctly, getting your iCloud and App Store linked is essential. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by opening up the settings on your iPhone. For most of us, settings are keenly accessed through the app icon, which looks like a grey gear. Once settings are open, direct your attention to the very top. If you're not already signed into your iPhone, you will see an option that says Sign into your iPhone. Tap this to proceed. Now it's time to enter your Apple ID email and password. Make sure this account is linked to your iCloud. Take a moment to double check your email and carefully input the password. These details are crucial since they serve as the gateway to linking your iCloud with your device. After entering the necessary credentials, some of you may encounter a step called two-factor authentication. Think of this as an added security measure. It's there to protect your data and ensure that only authorized access takes place. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Typically, you'll receive a code on another Apple device or via SMS that you'll need to enter on your iPhone. Next up, let's make sure everything is set correctly. Return to settings and verify that iCloud is active. You can do this by looking for your name at the top of the settings menu and giving it a tap. This will open up your Apple ID settings. In these settings, find and tap on iCloud. Here you'll see a list of apps that can use iCloud. Make sure the toggle next to each app you want to sync with iCloud is turned on, especially for the App Store. This way any purchases, updates or important app data can sync automatically. It's a convenient and powerful way to keep information unified across your devices. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your iCloud to the App Store. By doing this, you've ensured a streamlined and cohesive experience across all your Apple products. Syncing iCloud with the App Store not only helps in managing your apps seamlessly, but also ensures all purchases and updates are ready at your fingertips whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this step-by-step process has made iCloud settings feel more approachable and manageable. If you have any questions or need further help, please feel free to leave a comment below. Happy configuring and enjoy the seamless interactions of your Apple ecosystem.